5 ways to alleviate day-to-day stress. Stress is a part of your everyday life that seems to come from everywhere. Work, relationships, and even hobbies can cause nervous tension in your life. Regardless of the source of your anxiety, you can alleviate this day-to-day stress and find more peace. Sometimes stress comes from taking on too much. At times, it feels like you'll never get anything done. If you're too busy, small changes can make a big difference, and more importantly, they can enable you to take back control of your life. Here are 5 easy ways you can alleviate everyday stress. Get some rest. Your body needs enough rest to recharge and maintain peak condition. When you lose sleep, it's much easier to become irritated and let things get to you. A power nap is perfect for getting your rest quickly, especially if you have a busy schedule. Instead of lying in bed and taking a full nap, try closing your eyes in a quiet room for about 15 to 20 minutes. A shorter nap can often be more effective and provide a greater boost of energy to help you sail through your remaining tasks. Eat well. If you regularly make wise choices about what you put into your body will reward you with a more relaxed approach to life's challenges. It's hard to face difficult situations when your body lacks the fuel it needs to properly respond to those situations. Nuts, berries, and basic carbohydrates can increase the level of serotonin in your body. Your body uses serotonin to regulate your mood. If you eat properly, your body will be prepared for challenges and you'll often be able to relieve stress and anxiety before it starts. Play your troubles away. Exercise is a great way to unwind and relieve the worry in your life. But exercise doesn't have to involve a lengthy, strenuous workout session at the gym. Anything fun that gets your body moving will do the trick. When you exert yourself physically, your body releases endorphins. These endorphins act like your body's natural feel-good drug. Play with your kids after work. Run around the yard to get your blood pumping. Jog around the block and feel your stress melt away. Stretch and flex. Many professionals recommend an exercise for stress relief that involves stretching and flexing your muscles. With practice, this exercise can help you calm down quickly and feel more in control amidst the storms of your life. Tense each muscle in your body, one at a time, and hold for a few seconds. Then release each muscle slowly. Repeat with each muscle group. Practice as often as possible and call upon this tensing and releasing technique whenever you need instant stress relief. Sometimes, simply stretching tense muscles alleviates stress. Stretching your muscles allows more blood to flow into them and relaxes them. The more relaxed your muscles are, the calmer your mind will be and the easier it'll be to focus on attaining the results you desire. Count to 10. When you're frustrated or upset, take a time out. Slowly count to 10 and focus on your breathing. Take deep, long, deliberate breaths from your belly. Often, this will be enough to help you to quickly regain focus and face the challenge with a new sense of peace. These simple steps can help you cope with your everyday stress. But they only work if you use them. Manage your emotions wisely and begin to experience the control and inner peace you deserve. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.